In this video, I'm going to show you how to place orders on TradeLocker. So this is actually very simple. The first thing you want to do once you're inside TradeLocker, go ahead and go down here to the bottom right, where you can see it says buy and sell, and this is where you can place your order. What's important to know is that you can also click on this button up, and here you can select first the instrument you want to trade. So for example, let's say you want to trade Bitcoin. There we go. I just clicked that. Then you have to select if you want a market or a pending order, which is basically a limit order. And after you do that too, you'll then be able to basically select if you want to buy or sell. And if you want to place an order, you want to click on buy. And then here you can select a stop loss, a trading stop loss, or a take profit over here, or of course both, that works too. And then you have to set your price, ticks, P&L, and balance in case you selected this. And after that, you want to select if you want a risk order or not, and then you can select the amount of lots you would like to buy, either with lots or USD, that's up to you as well. And then you simply have to hit the buy button over here. You want to press confirm, and after this, you'll be able to see that you've successfully placed an order on TradeLocker down here under positions. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.